Medical culture say nkrofo a minji omundi e ya amanyofo minyi omunni John Mahama minji nindi enne NDC fo aba wahye ase de etuo bi asase e hyehyehyehyehye baabi enne John Dramani Mahama president ebechi anyam kama electricity watum eye bon ade a mempani atro wo yesa na me ho yira me se wa wonim se wo ka ye ntoma etu mmia wano ma me nkyerɛ wetuo nko a Ghana etuo nko a Ghana ye de toto yeso a yetua enso yenya so mfaso
enti me kai pass at the floor of parliament after marking I can say me say very soon Ghanaians will know the true colors of the umbrella. Ghana for me umbrella no the color fili gadochi biewadi na she biewadi fe Obekaya enche bia anybody listen say Dumsor Levy eba ama ebesinsin wiemu ema nanka starting 1st July ana starting emu ga say the say the kondo ma twa sensen kakra it omu ehwe niema mu enya de abusua abase nyame adwa on the 16th of July we no ana Dumsor Levy no omu eba abeje ana enos go vira ka tro say Mahama has introduced new taxes enu ana na celebrate Republic Day na say enu ana na celebrate taxes day. And my first July celebrate taxes they call not who said there were taxes. I heard Ghana had more. I say Mahama about for now on this issue no. And end this one Casa Nana Jantuah of Israel for what baby was now the Debbie. Oh, defend Mahama and ye then feed or second with no. A church and Mukan and Mahama do so I'll buy the water chino. A do so the Bowachi. Najantuah Abefire, like Canadian for blasting Mahama. I don't know why. And this is for mobile defensive taxes. Or more defensive tax where Mahama Diaban. Was sending message to them. Na social media transfer TikTok response. Ege can be pa. I Penyah block media. Mess was editing. Over like video. Now that my subscribe button. Never click on notification for the latest update. Now back to the wide join the mama. Comment section of the baswa. Not you know for super be ashe. It me obi me pay receipt here. If you say you about 2024 election no. Me ti say to force e ka say Ghana. Tax e gua so no. Dos no do. Mahama cross can be. Tax e gua so that dos. Tax enti ya project for. And to force because young trouble no ba. Over running tax-free economy. Ghana can develop without taxes. Economy and for taxes ain't shedding mind for a minute. And that's it. And when I say, hey, COVID-19 tax, Mahama Graka said Ghana and Kwan no mania. COVID, yeah, to think COVID-19 by 2019 and so that's what they COVID tax or can say me. You know, police campaign time or kind. Betting tax or can so be trim, e-levy or be trim, or buy a anokwa e-levy or trim. Betting tax will come, but COVID-19, COVID, that's all will come. Now COVID-19, the apply, and you have a COVID-19 there. It has connection. Some any IMF for it will do the. But remember, say Mahama talk man Jan remove, or because say 11 krano, any IMF it will do be. But what's my year for? But COVID there, or say any IMF it will do. Normal. After forcing, case after forcing, who was then the finance minister designate John Mahama Eka said he knows how to boost revenue without creating any tax. And I said, "Oh, how was a Mexican system of tax via Emma a budget so you can't be shame out of nowhere." 3rd May, and the Eba news said His Excellency the President or the Ato Forcing as finance minister, any John Jinapo as energy minister, and confirm and say we account boom. Domuka muti pam hono. Omato electricity boom by 14.75%. And almost out to water bill by 4%. In 3rd May, Yanka Bishop said that your friend be Dumsor Levy. Almost a person Dumsor Levy be ever. I Dumsor Levy Nana say for every 1 liter of petrol, another food be able to be and there's one charge on it. Oh, I said they be there, Massa. Where they are not especially e-levy because e-levy it was just 1% on every transaction. But Dumsor Levy 8.33% on every fuel that you buy. Is that total 10 liters? Who just 10 cities until for every 1 liter beyond? Who just was a Ghana for year? Who did they? And my name is Mahama, our national president. And you know, our Christians like I said, we'll take a step back. About what you're only better for veterans argument. Then the Umap and the point before. Yeah, and same deal. And the last week, we got to say, I mean, exactly 1st July, now, I know celebrity public day. Mahama added valued added tax. Ghana Revenue Authority for added 15% increment. The cap taxes are Obia Etuahon. And I know almost added 2.45% ever to electricity bill. What I say? Almost by 2. I'm a no problem now. Life insurance premium product. I told Ghana no. almost 21.9% tax and also locally manufactured plastic product to go no by 7%. That's the increase a bono. And another number of taxes here. Almost the big Ghana for so. Amount for crash actually that represent commission and run at the pronoun. And a bad news say Ghana Revenue Authority for now. Dumsor Levy here, Omudin can pay and once and buy here. Ghana for who desire no there are no she ain't meet and I move on to baby. Almost the ambassador of the parliament on the 16th of July. And also a barber can Ghana for count. 16th of July, that is 2 weeks a day. Dumsor Levy so every in session. Now, and no, Nana Jantuah said there be there, but I want to money now made it. Still, I can't first year, when I make you can, what you be paying, what you can, or the car, or the car down the area, and on the non bush road, where Japan Papa Ho, and on the non bush road, and they bought a check, the Bobon came in every form a minimum, or the car no chicken, no rough or chili basa. Nana Jantuah Abefire, while Cape Canadian Party Mahama, now face no. NDC for mobile defense, no. While blast to say, Obunya Jimeno, now Omuni politics, every woman is so. No more baby or man echo.
Sebema your mind pa. Na udina mu se na ano no se nya enen so enye. Ye ka principle ene se ade bia ugitum enne na ususu se eye no ochina yensesa no NDC fan dia ugitum se enye enne no se enya ochina yenkasa eye principle inti dia wugitum memeje Ghana tum medika ka cho se nkrofo a minji omundi eya amanyofo minyi omunni John Mahama minji nindi. The only thing is say me man no benefit of the doubt. The mekano nano no se minji amanyofo ni whether Baumia o whether John Mahama o me da so ginem yewra John Mahama minji nindi me man the benefit of the doubt because we nipa osesa amanyofo nsunsua de NDC fan minim de kakra me wo ewo amanyosem ho ebra me follow yem papa kofo ebe mo Tamils John Mahama Nana Jantuah ene yewra John Mahama wasa be ya me minje amanyoni eni ena de ma ne say kra was Nana Jantuah ono kra ne say no because Nana Jantuah na me metimi akasa mejini di sa wupo bia na metimi akasa mejini di a se bebia na oman na duru no anka betimi aye bibi pa a me de makoma ene me rehye mu pa se a we die ye wi a Nana Jantuah NDC fan ono na ama sesei de na me gitum no masa gia tum pa se amanyoni bia sesa inti amanyoni enhye da ni credibility because nano no de na enye na no ka se enye no oba obekiremu akrew se eye na ewo se eye because ya anye sa emoayen eno na we yesa na se wo de ya adwini edi agro NDC fan se wo se eto onye na oba na be yi bi free so ayemfa bi nka ho eye principle se wo se eto bi doso inti sa eto na edoso no yempe Ghana for ho chirum a yemma be yi bi free ho na wi a wo be abekase yemfa bi nsanka ho. That is lack of credibility. Nano Towing Levy Miss Original Miss Mimpe E Levy Miss Original Miss Mimpe Yentia Ye the Bola Levy nyina by ye kan ho asem COVID-19 Levy Samre na Kufuado ema ye free water any free electricity no ye mu bi ka say or da mo ye mu bi in 2020 Nana Akufo-Addo ba fellow Ghanaians no aka kire mo say oh ya mam free water free electricity ye mu bi gina mu ka say or da mo na ye abesa atua MPP for no didi yatem NDC for no ni je ye me say ka biem samene na ne kasetia eto akese petrol na ekosro dollar na ekosro ene nyoma bia na enya na ekase ade na ekoso no nye na ha Ghana for no NDC for eni jeye MPP for ebufuye tamene ne de o ka asema na aso wosoro ene no NDC aba nti NDC benya yengusuwa ne nkankire mu se ade na nya yenkase eye if you said the nano na MPP for ye bia ni e ka kire mu a no mo de brofo e ka kire ye se ye nim de ni e ka no mo kwa na ti ase o mo de credit score ba ni e ka chom sa de we mua o mo de e-levy ba ni e ka chom sa de we mua yenya MPP fu soldiers a o mo di atembia no ma sa kire kire mu ka kire se ye stomach journalist ye nim de e ka school ni anko ndu akire 3 months ene ye didi atem ye didi ye bia kama eje boy ye ho a nanso Nana Jantuah nyai de na wo so o kan de wo so enne NDC fo aba John Mahama bai wa yi Levy wa yi nioma bi afi wa hye ase de eto bi asase e hyehyehyehyehye baabi obi amia na no ukobusa NDC fu soldiers na anu ankom bekikam no enne omu gina ho kekem oh yentia ne yentia benya sika wa hin na yanya e be say that is lack of credibility no maka cho say era 7th month mu into 7th month no ye need John Dramani Mahama president ebe chianyam kama afini ye be scrutinize ni ye afina nsem na oka ye no ye be ba ma wa agwa mu afina ne 24-hour economy no ye be ba mu ye electricity watum water yatum to say 16th of July sa energy sector levy debt levy na sem na ne ye kan wan sem say em to ebu ase no osade ba and now NDC for na sia ase kikem wase ye ne anya ebenya sika wa he eye bon metia me nhye na ntia ase etore bia me tisa manyofo justify the ntia wo so mo de eto to yeso a na wote wa na wo yira as school no wa ankobi and it is so disheartening say nipa na at the end of the day me metie metimi atua ne bibia ye ka bia ma ono na kechia ebia enduru ba bia no ono because of the party nti obe defend it na yentia yamfa nto so a ebede na etua na ntu party say John Dramani Mahama oye campaign e na okache say oba obeji Dumsor Levy anke beto ama no mibusa NDC for amasa say defend Dumsor Levy no sa Levy na ye betua no sa one Ghana city ye de to 1 liter ho no mibusa say anka yewura John Mahama ye campaign na no say John Mahama oba obeye no e no say me ba esense Dumsor wo ho ninti me ba me de 1 Ghana city beto so a ugidi se nka Ghana for beto ama no ade am mpani atro wo yesa na me ho yira me kanokra ne kire me papa ne kire me o say kojo ade ne ye a wo de ka me bufu mpokra na me pechen say obetwa me nkontompo ka kire me se me John Mahama me ba Dumsor Levy me de beba ka kire yesa se wa wonim se wo ka ye ntoma entu mmia wano na nyame ya adom ne yeto aba mawa na wo hwie a na afi wo de toto so afi because at the end of the day no anya ne say aye bende eye bon enti na no me ka bi kire Nana Akufo-Addo me se ka bi se eye amemo ni se me ba meje bosia metututuo mu mekọ akọje grant dia ene obia betimi aye president me say ka bi emre bia John Mahama ye no Nana Akufo-Addo ye no me ka sa asem no me say se eya mamuo ubeye president na wo dia wo ya ne say makwaje eto matututuo mu makwaje bosia ne aboye nsem makwaje grant ene ye di bu oman a obia president efo president efo obia betimi aye because efo so ye president because me ye president me hu say efo me ba me so me ka say oh NDC for kramusuma disika Enti that be some presidency aba. Me ba o NDC Nana people magiska. Enti enso enkoji loan. Because that time they be cry na me what majority of parliament na majority agye atum no man ti loan no omogia mo amobe kasa ne apɛ full soldiers no communicators no medi watem because obi obeka bia no kasa na so ma bokanti ya mpesika ye be den ye bu o man no ya adwene ne ye so limited say ya adwene ye say it is only loan ya nkɔgye loan na ye ntimi mbu o man ya ntototuo ma ye ntimi mbu o man ya adwene ye so limited ya adwene ye so limited. Me life me njilo no. Me share me bottom and I'm the ayam nyoma. Inti me nyo bi a me support loan, any form of loan. Se private entity no kwaje ne bosi onim kwan obefa so atua ne bosi ano. Se ankrankra bi na kwaje a but ya je atum se Ghana ban kwaje bosi ano onye ne yie. Ya waha ya humbosia dodo ankrofo ya kwaje MPP ni NDC fo akwaje ye ni krom ha and NDC ni MPP fo akwaje bosia ne ye wie ya na etua ho ka ye ni ha eno mu broka na nakufado abroka ma sese bebie ni nam John Mahama be bro ya through 122 ya nso ya broka ye bia na nakufado nso abro bia ene ne nam na wotewa na wo defend wo ye fu soldier wo ye young guy wo na wo dachi ye ton no wote radio so social media so defend obia one man life or sell life. You don't get it and you are defending a loan na wakoje una betua ye sha se ye susan ye ka toll levy tema oil refinery levy ye tua akofo time ye tua atamils John Mahama na akufodo ye da so tua toll levy and how because you don't ask any question because now no na MPP for defending the entire was here to start to ba. It's a drew so na fe drew say wo accounts e was here twetwam. Are we serious? Me the entire me ka de me ka ni say na no na enye. Intimi me gina ho because John Mahama nti maka say ye me say at this time any increment be say levy say bibia no that one is cheap. I will never praise John Mahama for that because now him and it is NDC full soldiers ni Syria callers mbeka mi busa say John Mahama obeje bosia obekwa akotutuo mu mi busa sa question no Adentina nano ntina kufado mi busau COVID levy any levy any sanitation levy na oye no eye onu ni bottom sika onu na odia na mi busa sa question no we NDC ni nano na kufado sabre no ode tuo bebre totototo so ode tuo bebre tototo so na wani abra wo se Nana Jantuah yenka bi ma Nana Jantuah Nana Akufo-Addo ni trimo odin samre na now se yenka bi ma na because Nana Akufo-Addo the eto bebre no sabre no I want to ask you sabre mi buso Nana Akufo-Addo na eyini bottom sika na oje akwakodi enye ekeye bi na eda ho na ojeje eno ka se enye ene de wa ba na aba odo John Mahama to the sense say John Mahama ehim kra na wope nti ade na sabi mfaso bia ni so no you are defending because ya anya sa ebebo timi busa say mo nkyere me NDC mo manifesto mo ka sa mo ba mo de 1 cedi beto levy liter so mo nkyere me NDC fo amutie me mo nkyere me say mo manifesto mo ka se mo ba petroleum whatever no mo di bi beto so na ye hu se mo kan ma menkyere weto nko a ye de go ma menkyere weto nko a Ghana eto nko a Ghana ye de toto ye so a ye tua enso ye nya so mfaso ye nya sa nyoma ni bi mfaso wote wa na okeka de o ye obe because wa ban na aba because we NDC ni inti de John Mahama ye bia won ti asekura be defend because we full soldier sane won say e chechiro man anaka say be chechiro man trimu deso sheto nko aye to so bra Facebook na be ha de ɛtoɔ nko a yɛgye wɔ Ghana ha yɛn sɛ den still a yɛnya so mfa so yɛtua yɛnya so mfa so aban bia ba nso no de ɛtoɔ bi to so a ɔse yɛde to so ɛbɛboa yɛn ba saa ɛtoɔ no nso mmoa yɛ da ɛtoɔ no mu ka no ɛmmoa yɛ da hwɛ ɛtoɔ nko a hwɛ bra Facebook mekan wɔ mampanyin kofoɔ saa berɛ no ɔka bibi wɔ sɛ obi kɔbɔ besia de kɔwe nam ɛho asɛm bae because that time NDC for so by omuje bosia sabre no so NDC for complain say Joma you can say ya papa Jom ajekunku for wakwaje bosia adia now complain say na Akufo do de oye ne nya no oye insensitive den and now the be to so enti ene ye nka ho asem na electricity no atum o se ye ntia ye ho be kire yen Dumsor no de atum o se ye ntia na nche obehu na afi DVLA ne de kakra tum o se ye ntia ye ho be kire yen obehu anse say oh aban say ye ntia we na Ghana ye mo ye belt ye obehu sa afi ye tewa na to no mu yi free so no o mu je to no left and right because amene na ye ka ho asem no o se yenye na na wo defend it. Ghana ni hwe petroleum levy nko a hweto nko a yenya eto be hwa de eto energy debt levy, Ghana energy fund, price stabilization fund, road fund, sanitation levy, special petroleum levy, energy sector levy, fuel marketing levy, bus levy, distribution levy, petrol nko a ehun sika yeje yemra other levies, other taxes kosoro mame enche ni lawyer Wusu for John Kontabisa be kasa ono ye lawyer for Maso Kofi Juma enche ni ne be twetwe enkomo. Let me do this quickly kosoro mame bra Facebook na be hade other taxes and levies ye tia 15% standard national health insurance 2.5 ne tia get fund levy 2.5 ye tia the levy 1% obeki kani nyina bom na Ghana over 21 point something percent 21 point something na busa uye economics a busa se omanya ota otu anko aye over 18% ekere sen eya mo sebi ebi nkenkan kakra no munti ase se omanya wutima eto anko a wutua ma ban eye over 18% no sa oman no busa se ekoya sa oman enkoye da so far se Ghana ye tua more than 18% no oman enkoye da market on the wall. Enye de da be say John Mahama bana John Mahama you hope so far say omania atum say eto ayetua e over 18% no sa on man no they go and do your economics and understand if a country is paying more than 18% of VAT or tax. Your growth, your national health insurance, your growth and sustainability levy, your financial sector recovery levy, so 5%. Profit on banks, your presumptive tax based on installment. They say, crowdy, I say, wow, Waketia ne on first one a year 20,000. You will see Kabia also 45. I think so, your business flat rate. Wow, we nya ebi and for 20,000 to 500,000 annually, so 3%. And Usubetia. If a real estate in Swa, you have 5% VAT, you have 1% COVID-19, you have VAT on non-insurance, 15%. Sanyoma we nyina yetua sanyoma we nyina yetua wo Ghana ha enso de mfaso ani enya DVLA utia road toll levy enya road hwan road works so say den road worthy utia road worthy ansan wa tua insurance no abusa se ni nyina utia no e de mfaso na wonya na mo de te se bibia politics nti bibia ne ya blind ani na ban na benti wo hu bibia se ye papa nsem ne bi wo ho a ye hu chen mo sanyo na ye hu ye ka se Nana Akufo ene MPP o mewulu su no samne na ye hu ye na mo nti ase na mo tie defend enoma bi wo a ye hu chen mo ye bibia ete no ye hu chen mo tinam se principle ne se nanu na enya menka se na ye me kasetia Nana Akufo say eto de atoto so Ghana for bra membe gina so me kase ye ntia kakra na enye sa Dumsor ne ebeba. That is hypocrisy. Opetimi akade obeka but me say right now baby Ghana edru no yensori anopa ne enya so mfaso na anu John Mahama ba ya nyoma so atete no ti ye bona baso enti Ghana need on timi nsori anopa ne akase 1 year yentutu bibia mu Ghana ni ntimi sori anopa ne nka sese die ukodwoma enyoma bo wo fom de bia Ghana ni sori a aban eyi free ha no na de bi kan wo ha na de bia ase yekọ na ase yeba. Are we serious?
Oh yeah!
Me out of mo ache mo akwa baba the platform so ba so no share no like am any so TV. Ene ye 1st July. Na ye nyere ni tua. QNet amangu. John Laya settings aban NDC aban. Fake certificate aban NDC. Ene 1st July. Omuso omo de 2 mako 9 ene ebe to Ghana for so. Omo ato petrol mu 2%. Diesel so ma 5%. Electricity a ne bo kra ye tua boarding dada. Omo di ka 14 point something. Se so ma sa di 2.45% ese beto so. Ya no so kra na ye tua no so kra no so kra kan yan kwa ye je nya ndem. QNet amamu settings aban don't lie, I don't own can correct. NDC aban abanfun abantantan. Omo de sa e 29 we nyina e beto ye so. Na minia minim se free na ekwa GPRG for so beto omo ebu petrol na awulo fe omo beto. Edu ko fo car na se atumu a enya fi na ne driver ekoko de pe e de enya. Because na do down ko kufuado eni Dr. Mahmudu wa onia. Betting tax any levy on the buy. Na unka unko to better and unko twa better ye ntubi. Levy open as me ko transfer musika hibutu ye ntene. And so tax we dey and so two we dey upo betua. Because driver ne ko to petrol na ko to diesel atum. Nti also ba also be make sure so the beka ne fair. And then the cattle says, how buy we and now buy any option. Say MPP in your corner and NDC in your option. NDC and MPP and your corner NDC and on your option. Am I gonna for the cattle says, how buy we a settings, I buy fake certificate, I buy NDC and Mamu from Omon Kano correct, don't lie on Kano correct. Be beer or then trop. And then a 1st July, South Mako 9 on the video of my Ghana. Omanfo, a Yahotre, and on the person of the battle of my Ghana. And you say Yanko Pontias, Yamon Pina 2028 year. And this Yamomo from settings Yamomo QNet abide with you. You be 2 of the bunch. Medo BBRC, Obaso and Wash and like I'm Unia Swing Beauty. But I was
When is Nana Jantuah, Insula FM, what is your view on that? Prez John Mahama ever comment. Now Dumsor Levy is what abe. Any tax that hold what? Mama de go Ghana first. What is your take on that? I open up the community. I be come to the audience. Ever comment section.